may have slightly forgot to turn the mic on. Again. Morning, everybody. Yeah. Typical, eh? Typical. Yo, Paku MF. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. Welcome through to the stream, my friend Mihinui. Happy Saturday all the way over here. Hey, aloha, brother. How you doing, bro? Yeah, bit of a weekend carving stream today. Before I go out and enjoy the day with the kids. They're kind of just chilling out in the lounge at the moment, watching movies. Oh, thanks, Paku. Bro, MF is, I see a lot of people with the tag MF as well. Do you know Hutchinson, by the way? Trust me, bro, I'll never change any of my undergarments because you can't wear those past 3 days. 2 or 1 if you train. Yeah, 1 hard day of legs, yeah, you gotta change those, bro. You don't want to be wearing those crusty things. Morning, TikTok, how are you? So yeah, bit of a Saturday morning. Patio for my wife's new hot tub. Jeez! Hot tub, huh? All's been well here, brother. Just been, yeah, looking after myself, my health. It's been good. Been training quite a bit. Lost quite a bit of weight too, which is good. Still got a bit more to lose before the end of the month. Thank you, Anish, for the heart. So my goal is to lose 20 before the end of the year. So we're on 10 at the moment. We started at 146. We're at 135. Yeah. So that's how much we've lost so far. And yeah, it's been good. Besides that, are you going to Stream Awards? No, I won't be, unfortunately. I'm going to be doing some things with my kids today after stream. Is it today or tomorrow? I don't know. Good apple? Yeah, my bro. I like to eat fruit in the morning, eh? Yeah, I just didn't have the time to go. True, TJ, it was Nate Shot that actually gave it to me. Oh, freeze that. Oh, it's just the apple. I just split it in half. Good fiber for the day. Yeah, my bro. Like yesterday, I was feeling a bit zesty and I had a mango. After this and my coffee, then we'll get into it, eh? So, we only have one side left to design on the tiki, and it's done. That's about it. When you're moving to Auckland, never. I hate that place. Too busy. Yeah, so Nate Shot actually, this was a couple years back now. I think it was the 2nd year of streaming. He dropped into the stream and gifted some subs, but he was doing a sponsored thing with Rockstar Energy Drink. And yeah, he dropped subs here, and I knew straight away who that was. I was like, hey, this is not Nate Shot. And then, yeah, pretty much his whole chat confirmed it, and I went, bro, that's Buzzy. I would have just been good with a hat. So he sent me a hat, a hoodie, and a t-shirt. So the t-shirt's just like this too. Thanks, Vi. Yeah, I don't know, is it today? I haven't really been keeping up with the outside world. I've been in player housing and WoW and kids. You still stream on Twitch? I'm streaming on Twitch, YouTube, along with YouTube Reel format and Kick and you guys. So on 5 different thingies today. Yeah, I don't even know when the Streamer Awards is on. But just to let everyone know, I won't be there. But to the bro that asked earlier, yes, I am a Zelda fan. Yeah, I've got commitments as a father, my bro. So I let Fanny know to pass it on to Cutie, because I think she's co-hosting, Fanny. If I don't know who Fanny is, it's Fan. I moved stateside and just hearing another islander just helps me feel more connected. Hey, appreciate you, my brother. I'm a cutie pie. No, Fanny. I just call her Fanny just because of GTA. But I remember Fan from a long time ago. She raided me with Joey Chaotic. He's an IRL streamer. No, ages ago. Oh, I'm a cutie pie. Nah, Cutie Cinderella. Where is I'm a cutie pie these days? Are you on D10 server? Nah, Prodigy and NoPixel. I haven't been RPing as of late just because I've been too busy. Because at the end of the day, Whakairo or wood carving is the main thing that I do on my channel. Hello Jason, how are you? Thank you Paula and Josh, Calabase. Well, that's what we've done. We go 6 up. And we are designing the last side today. Your Maori friend told you to say yoza to a Mongol mob? If you know those, you know damn well you're not gonna do that. If your Maori friend told you to do that, he's not your friend. Would you ever go to Marquesas? If I ever got the opportunity to, yeah. Family dependent, obviously. Everyone, I hope you all had a good day and a wonderful and good. Your stream goes great today. Hey, appreciate you, brother Myth. Cheer, my bro. What's your favorite food? Oh, one that I don't have to pay for. Yeah. But if I have to be more specific, I just like salmon sushi. Okay, let's get into it, eh? Yeah, one that I don't have to pay for. Hey, Subbles. Miss you, brother. But it's cool to see wifey's business popping off, my bro. What do you use in your hair? It's very shiny. You reckon? Nothing. I just use water. I've stopped using shampoo ages ago. Because if you got dandruff, because shampoo just feeds that yeast. Yeah, bro, we've been so busy. Nice, my bro. Yeah, I seen you get the bun me, my bro. 3 minutes till closing time. Up to today, I'm just gonna be doing just one carving stream today, and then I'll probably be in the server later. Cause payment due tomorrow on GTA. Yeah, I've been jamming a little bit of the Fortnite Season 2. I don't mind today, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Thank you, user Brex. Oh, snotty nose. Do you understand? Ah, no, you still gotta pay yours off there. Did you end up getting an alley? Bro, Fortnite's been pretty good, bro. Myers Kid, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime over on Twitch. You are my goat. I will try and be the best example I can be for you, my friend. Thank you for holding it down on YouTube as well. If you're not subscribed to the YouTube yet, can you go over and give it a follow? I try and get 1 subscriber a day. You going to Twitch? No, I won't be going to Twitch Awards, my bro. I can't. I have commitments with the kids. But yeah, I hope the event goes well. I'll be honest, I hope Sia reps. But I was pretty gutted when they said Ty Dolla $ign's gonna be there. I was like, bruh. D Biscop, thank you very much for the 5 months as an Optimus Prime, and Ethan Martin with a brand new Tier 1 as well. Ngā mihi nui for tērā, and thank you very much. And we have a level 1 hype train as well. I was watching a little bit of how you doing there, man? I was watching a little bit of what's it called? The Druid coming through on Poe, eh? Bro, it looks fun. Yo, Man Walk TV, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime for 30 months, bro. Holy hicka. Thank you very much, my bro. Alex, thank you very much for the rose too. I see you. 30 months is crazy, my brother. And thank you very much to... Is it Yellen? Yellenek? Thank you very much for the 100 biddies. Hello to the bro from Spain as well. Cheer, brother Ethan. Love popping in here watching you make beautiful art. Appreciate you, my brother. How you been? Brother Mance with the 65 months as well. It's crazy it's going to be 6 years next year, eh? We from Aotearoa, New Zealand, my bro. Crazy to think that it's 6 years next year on Twitch. Is this the cover man? Hey, is it Kimp Kit? Bro, TikTok's auto filtering of comments is cringe as hell, bro. Thank you, Gustavo. Sorry, Kimp Kit won't let me unfilter. Where are we? Poe Druid is looking amazing. I am definitely going to play it on the... Oh, wait, is it coming out this month? Dirty on the treadmill lately? Yeah, bro. I have been. I kind of... When I get a little bit lighter... I mean, I could probably go on the Stairmaster now. But I want to get a little lighter and then... I want to try and get on the Stairmaster again, but not do the... lean over assisted walking. I kind of want to hands on hips and standing straight up kind of thing. That's the way I want to do it. So it's just but yeah, genuinely I have really been enjoying training. It's been really fun, along with eating healthy. I didn't know I'd find so much enjoyment out of eating healthy. Alongside my kids as well. They're like fully in there. So that just gives me kind of more drive to keep going. And I lost my pencil. Fuck! Again! If you're new to the stream, yeah, I'm constantly losing pencils, eh? Constantly losing them, man. I love that you preserve mahi. I hope that traditional art is preserved forever as well. Hopefully, my brother. One place I'd like to go and visit over in America, there's Crazy Horse. Definitely want to go and see Crazy Horse one day. That'll be buzzy to go and see him for sure. Have you tried an assault bike? Oh, yo, Jake Robbie, thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. Thank you. Have you tried an assault bike for a good minute? No, our gym don't have assault bikes. They're at the High Rocks variant of the gym, and you got to pay $60 to go there. In this economy, my bro, no thank you. Oh no, I lost my pencil, guys. Is it Kiko? Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. Do you mind if I quickly run inside and see if I can find a pencil? Because I need a pencil so we can do this work. Hold on, chat. Yeah, I've lost about 14 pencils this year. Not my biggest flex, I won't lie. We got one. In the form of a luminescent pencil. Thank you very much, Ngaru, for the wave. Okay. W rummaging through kids' pencil case. Hey, how you doing, Patient Unknown? My brother. Okay. So what we're going to do, so this is going to be the design here. So this is our, whoa! Is that McLovin? Thank you very much for the rose and the galaxy, brother. Man, I haven't heard that name in a long time. What is it? Super bad, eh? Is it super bad? I only ever knew it as the Dick Train movie. Surely we can get this man a pencil sponsorship. Check behind your ears. I won't lie, bro. That's always the first spot I check, eh? There was one time, bro, I went to bed and I was like, bro, something weird is in my ear. And it was the pencil the whole time. I was like, fuck, I'm actually quite silly. Also, chat, at around 4 o'clock a.m. this morning, we had some paranormal activities going on again. Because this guy was yelling outside, I was like, oh no, here we go. Someone's on the come downs. And then, yeah, dude was talking to the tree again. I don't know what's so special about our tree, but yeah, we get a lot of people that talk to it. My grandfather spent plenty of time with the Navajo Nation people. Very respectful and full of knowledge. Yeah, definitely, bro. And that I say that goes for a lot of indigenous people around the world, eh? Like even if you go to Scotland as well, I would assume that they're very entrenched in their roots as well. So let's all we'll do right now is just get all of this drawn out and then we can carry on. Fuck, imagine drinking it. What's the time? 10:23 in the morning. Blap slapped, thank you very much for the manawas and the rose before that too. My favorite streamer. How you been, man? Easy game plan. We reach out to Tugenberg and something convince them to send you a couple hundred pencils a month for you in your local school. Ah, screw the local school, man. I'm keeping them all for myself. I'm sorry, but when it comes to bloody pencils, I will be a selfish man because I lose them too much. Yelanik, thank you very much once again for the Optimus Prime. I'm sorry to the schools, bro, but brother, my kryptonite is keeping an eye on my pencils. Literally. Yeah, sorry to the schools out there, they might get offended, but your boy's gonna tell the truth. I'm gonna keep them goddamn pencils for myself. Then you're on TikTok and transferred to here. Oh, welcome through, man. Welcome through to the Twitch stream as well. Thank you, Nelly, for the confetti. Yeah, so we drew up one half of the league yesterday as well. Let me just sort this out real quick. Yeah, me and the girls are gonna go for a hike after stream. Ranga Uwu, thank you very much for the brand new tier 1. Welcome through, my friend. Poggy Woggy Uwu, as some people would say. My kids yesterday, so my kids were watching reels on YouTube, and they came to me with a question, right? They're going, Dad, we need to ask you something. See, yeah, what's up, babies? Why do these people wear these on a hot day? There's a furry. I was like, oh, that's just what they want to wear, okay? We don't judge. That's just what they want to wear. Brox, will you be at the Streamer Awards? I won't be, brother. I've got commitments with my kids at the same time. When is the Streamer Awards? Is it today? They just keep going. But yeah, but why are they wearing it on a hot day though? Looks amazing, brother. Thank you, my bro. Yeah, we're pretty much on the last bit, my brother. Last bit, my bro, and we pretty much pretend we're Denzel Washington and we call it Staining Day, where we stain it. Get our Denzel Washington on, my brother, and stain up the piece. Oh, the kids are ready for you. Thank you. It's Saturday. Oh, so it'll be Saturday for you tomorrow. Yeah, I'll be away tomorrow. Because it's Saturday for us right now. Yeah, you know, grateful for the nomination. Whatever way it goes, still, you know, grateful. But they reached out earlier if I wanted to attend, and I had to say I can't. But in saying that though, we will be carving Peepo the Frog to celebrate the nomination, and then we'll send it over to Cutie just as a thank you. Who knows, I might carve my own Peepo as well, since he's quite a prominent streaming world figure. Recently had to explain to her 11-year-old daughter what furries stumbled on questionable message boards because of the costumes. yeah. I was like, oh, you know, don't you better not wear that crap. Yo, Gio, thank you very much for the roses, brother. Yo, have you ever heard of Ginger Crunch? It's like a dishpan. Oh yeah. It's called those kind of desserts are called like Christmas crack. Because everyone likes them. I'm just cleaning up the wall chat so we can carry on. There we go. Bro, even some of the makeup videos that they used to watch, bro, because I stopped them from watching it, eh? Like, legit stopped them from watching it. Cruz, thank you very much for the roses, my bro. Like, because I was sitting next to them just chilling out with the kids, talking to them, and then one of those makeup reels come on, bro. Bro, there was like a subtle hint of just like a chode. Like they had ice cube shaped yeah, ice cube shaped chodes on putting into their drinks. I'm like, what the fuck is this? Even like their lipstick was shaped like one too. I was like, you ain't watching this shit anymore. Hey, what up, Kima? How you? Thank you very much for the manawa, Jeffrey. Well, what are you using? This is rata, my bro. So that's what we are using today. Yeah, so we're trying to smash this out today. Get this all done up and then get our notches in. That's pretty much all there is to it for this piece, chat. And then we go over it one more time again. And if there's anything that needs to be cleaned, obviously, you know, we clean it up. And then it'll be done. Yeah, that's about it. That's all that's left, to be honest. So we're kind of coming to the home stretch for this. How te tino kai o Ngāti Pro? I don't know, I'm not from Ngāti Pro. Gonna have to ask someone from Ngāti Pro. Just keeping it simple as still the same design, taratara hakai chat. And then we'll add those notches in as well. Love from South Africa, brother. Hey, what's up, my bro? What's the time in South Africa, brother? What's up, Shayla? Kia ora. What's up, Rennie Toon? My brother. Have a good day, bro. I have to go, but I'll see you next time. All good, brother. You look after yourself, eh? Stay safe, and I will see you next time, my friend. Just simple dimple air stuff right now. We'll just get it all out the way and then we can carry on. I've lost. Oh no, there it is. I was gonna say I lost the pencil already. God damn. Cruz, thank you for the car pies, my bro. Oh shit. Sorry, my legs are still sore from squats. Still a bit mummies. Me mahi nā mihi ja, kei te pēhea koe. Ah, appreciate you though, Brother Cruz. Always gotta acknowledge that though, my bro. Yeah, if you live in the Brisbane area and you're looking to get some celebratory lei for your kids celebrating their prize giving soon, go on to Instagram, and I'll go on to Instagram after the stream, and I'll share my bro's wife who's got a business. He's keen to help them out because that's the bro. Try and get a bit of traction there. Oh, it's midnight, my bro. Hey, I want to ask if you accept any custom orders. Normally all the stuff that I carve, my bro, I stick to Whakairo, my bro. Trust me, I've had a lot of requests, but yeah, in hindsight, my bro, kinda the cultural side of Whakairo is what I want to showcase the most, my bro. If I could, brother, I'd show you my emails, eh? Like, I get a lot of people asking me to carve naked anime characters. Like, there's sites for that now. I'm not desecrating my tools doing that. Yeah, there's some oddballs on there, I must say. Some odd fellows, I must say. Yeah, well, thank you for the roses, my bro. What type of wood do you use? This is rata. It's a native, so it's the same as this timber here. The reason why this one's darker is because I've used it for so many years. That's pretty much why. Nami's like, shout out to you, appreciate you kind of thing. Family crest. Oh, true, my bro. What, if you don't mind me asking, what are you in terms of like nationality? Yeah, it's a bit of a hard one for me, my bro, especially with that kind of stuff too. Because when it comes to like people's family crests, I'd have to live their culture as well for me to feel comfortable to do it. That's yeah, sorry brother, that's just how I am. Some tricky style. Oh, this is just, yeah. I think with Taraze, so obviously as you can see the more contemporary side of it is on the other side. You can see it's quite squarey. Quite square over there. I just wanted to do something different, to be honest. And then on this side we cut the whole tara out. The ridge that goes in the middle, I cut it all out. This is just me like having a jam, yeah. Seeing what comes of it, really. Because all this piece is for me right now is just revision. Seeing if I still remember how to do a tiki, eh? because I haven't done one, as I always mention, since between the years of 2015 and 2018. That's the last time I ever done one. One of the hard timber used for taiaha. Yeah, rata, puriri, maori. Some of the many timbers you can use. Oh, jeez, they gave me a fright. Fuck, that was loud, bro. Decent forearm workout. Oh, not really, brother, because I'm not really using my forearms that much, eh? I'm just using the weight of the mallet, my bro. Show them how to carve yours. Yeah, probably in the future, my bro. Like, yeah, it's like once again the hard thing for me in doing IRL collabs, my bro, is I gotta kind of work it around the kids too. That's why I barely do IRL collabs, because I've always gonna put my kids first. Okay. Yeah, so we'll get all of this carved out, and then eventually we'll have to move down. What got you into carving? My uncle. My uncle was did Whakairo as well, and he introduced it to me in primary school. Or kura kaupapa is what we call it. So it's kind of like a primary school immersed within our culture and our language. So it's pretty much like that at the age of 12, and well, as of now I'm like 34. Now. So you've been going for a wee while. Oh my gosh. Wait, these TikTok alerts are pretty loud, eh? Can hear someone jamming out to K-pop Demon Hunters. Thank you very... Whoa! Just Mr. Blue! Thank you very much for the 5 bomb, my brother. Thank you. If you did get a 5 bomb from one the bro, please make sure you give him a thank you as well. Thank you very much, brother. How you been? How you been, my bro? Appreciate you, brother. You are so bloody close to 900 too, but oh well. Thank you very much, brother. Hope your Friday or your Saturday is going good too. It is currently Saturday for me. Yeah, we're just chilling out for Saturday, getting a carving stream in. And then me and my girls are off to train. go for a bit of a hike. And I'm bloody excited to do so. Hey, much love, Jipple. Thank you very much for the gifties, my bro. Wait, what is that? I'm an arborist and do chainsaw carvings every now and again. Have you tried doing a piece with a saw? Yeah. So I carved, or I cut a koruru out, which is one of the facial masks that we do in our culture, with a chainsaw, just to save time, really. Yeah, that's all it was for, just saving time. What would have taken hours with the ads, mere minutes with a chainsaw. Where are you from? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand. Thank you, Guinness and things again. My goodness. Kia ora, Chris. How are you, brother? So I'm just looking over everything, seeing what I can carve before we turn this piece around. It's too hot. Really? Oh, it's starting to get muggy here. Do you make these for yourself? No, my bro. Like I mentioned before, this is what revision looks like for me, brother. I won't lie, this piece has been growing on me, but the bigger picture would be better off with someone else than myself, to be honest. Yeah, I don't normally hold on to my carvings for myself, eh? Been a long time. I watched you and Twitch, and when I had a Twitch account. Yeah, did you get banned there? He did it in his 20s and he's like 80 now. Oh, true, brother. Yo, Libin, thank you very much for the manawa, my bro. Yo, Kaya, my brother. Good to see you, my bro. All has been well, my brother. All has been well. Good to see you again, brother. Thank you for the 66 months, my bro. Cheer. Hope you've been good too, brother. Straight up. Good to see you, my bro. What you been up to, brother? Fuck, 66 months, my bro. No, didn't get banned. Okay, I just wanted to ask. I was watching that stuff about that young fella who had a 1v1 with what's his name? Clicks. And then he got banned for 2 years. And then they undone the ban. They stopped the ban being 2 years to 2 weeks. It's like, yeah, go on now. What you reverse it for? Imagine getting banned for 2 years, eh? Fuck. That's a long time, man. Oh, it's Crate Day today. That's right. First weekend of December, eh? I forgot about that. I don't drink, but yeah, enjoy yourselves, you know, drive safe, look after yourselves as well. If you're wondering, wait, what? You don't drink? Yep, I don't. I stopped drinking around 25. "25 years old is, yeah, I had a bit of a moment. I had a bit of a moment in the club and I was like, this ain't living, bro. And then, yeah. Switched up. Yo, brother Joe Deerte. My brother. Hope you been good, my bro. The brother Joe Deerte. Do you know if you can give VIP badges to people in a TikTok chat? I personally don't know myself. But if anyone does, let me know. So I can start handing out VIP badges. Are you from NZ? Yes, I am, my brother. How you been, Joe Deerte? Fuck, 250 cats. From our cat man himself. Any funny drinking stories? Oh, there was the one time I got locked up because this fella disrespected my tribe, so I powerbombed him on the concrete in front of the cops. So I put my hands out in a handcuff, you know, just ready to go. Got locked up. Locked up for the night. Yeah. Good times. Good times. Not. Yeah, I was talking the shit about my tribe, so I powerbombed him on the concrete out the front of the club. I just threw him up and then grabbed him by the waist and smashed him back down. And then later on saw him in life and I was like, Jobo. Yeah, it was a bit, yeah. Would I do that in this day and age? I don't know. Zelda music in the background, my friend. What had not much to say? Oh, I apologize there. I was like, oh, sorry about a long time ago, bro, but, I had to. He goes, nah, you're good, bro. Just laughed it off and went our separate ways. But yeah, I'll never do that again, ever. Do you typically do a shallow press and deepen it? Pretty much. Just do the first cut and then fix it up if I don't like what it looks like. Once again, thank you very much, Zaya, as well. I heard that notification thing, so I better say thank you again. Hey, Sab Dogo. How you doing, brother? Only 2 more haka practices of the year. Then we go into break. Genuinely being back at haka practice has been fun. What part of NZ are you from? I'm from the small town called Ruatahuna, but I'm also from Rotorua as well, where I currently am. Marcus, thank you very much for the rose, my bro. OMG, that's amazing. Hey, appreciate you. Alright, just gotta be careful in here. Oi! Yo, brother Brock. Thank you very much for the 5 months, brother.
From the stresses of life. Watching you carve and listening to you chat is relaxing and satisfying.
Hey, appreciate that, my bro. My brother all the way from South Africa. Appreciate you, brother. Nah, if this is a good escape for people, man, then by all means do so. Come through. And I just want to put it out there again. If you're ever having tough times in life and you're looking for someone to talk to, you can talk here as well. Bit off topic, but yeah. Thank you very much, brother Donovan and Lockie as well. I see you, my bro. Thank you, guys. With the story, you are up. Are you up to haka wrestling, bar fighting? Bit off a guy nose. He's bit off a guy's nose in a bar? Holy! Hey, morning master, how you, brother? Alex Hall and Lockie, thank you very much for the gifties as well. And Rob Dawson with the 2 months as an Optimus Prime as well. Thank you, brother Rob. Yeah, especially around this time of the year, just want to make sure everyone's good mentally, or if you just want to have a yarn or have a talk, feel free to do so here. I know especially with this time of the year it can be hard. Seen it firsthand in life as well as when I was younger. So please, by all means, we're all here. Long time no see. What's up, Shane? How you doing? Tough times never last, only tough people. Not that guy's nose, though. Brother Joe, dude, thank you for the cats, my brother. Joe Dirte. I'm wondering how I want to do this, because with this ticky, I kind of want it so you can like hang it up somewhere. Like I was gonna do a lashing for it, or would it be better if we put it on a base? These are the things that I've been thinking about lately for this one, and like how we're gonna execute it. Can you buy your work? Yeah. Do you play rugby? I used to a long time ago, my brother. Not anymore. Not anymore, my man. Last time I saw you was a year ago. Now seeing you again. Oh, how you been, brother? Never clicked on live so quick. How you been? What's your iwi tū hoi and te arawa, my bro? I legit only ever acknowledge, the iwi that have raised me. There's probably some percentage of another tribe there, but I don't really like being that guy and trying to ride the coattails of another tribe that I've never been raised in. Those ones there. Oh, I'm 5%. I'm 5% Ngāti Pro, I'm 10% Tūhoi, and I'm 30% Ngāpui. Oh! I thought our ancestors didn't do percentages. Those ones are bloody hard to see, bro. It's similar to those, these young people where they got all their flags in their bios and you're like, geez, how many parents you got? Kia ora, my bro. Kia ora. Would you ever come to Scotland? Bro, that's one of the countries I'd love to go to for sure. Definitely, brother. One day. I'm going to get there one day. just go Christchurch. Beautiful artwork. Thank you, Brother Cricket. Thank you, Tadeus, for the fist pop as well. Me mahi my bro. Tēnā koe, my bro. So to those that are wondering what we're doing, this is a hei tiki. A hei tiki is not normally this size. They are normally in a pendant form, eh? Like even with how the inspiration for the hei tiki came about was by newborns. So you kind of see, you ever look at a newborn, eh? How they got their baby scrunch going on, and their heads are normally tilted to the side. Well, this one's kind of fully on the side too, but that's just another variation that we do. But majority of the time the heads are normally in an angle, because you know, bubbas can't hold their head up properly, eh? I mean, you know, you do get those daredevil babies that are just born trying to put their heads up. I had one of them, and I got super worried when they did that. But yeah, this is pretty much that's pretty much where the tiki comes from. Now with this one, you can see that it has two different sides to it, however. So just for just experimenting, I ended up adding two variants into the one body. So you can see one side is square, the other one is quite round. And yeah, that's just another version that we do. There's many different shapes and sizes of tiki. You do get those daredevil people that have tiki made out of greenstone of this size, and will wear it, but not me. I think the most outrageous thing I've seen around someone's neck in kapaka was a cow pelvis. That was woo! Damn, where'd the rest of the animal go? But that guy didn't last long. He only lasted one item in the haka and then he took it off. Thank you, Mason, for the minigun, brother. Big fan. Love watching your videos. Love seeing the different styles of Whakairo. Have you ever carved a Christmas tree or something festive? No, that's a good idea though. I should probably do something festive, eh? What though? That's a hard one. That's one thing I never do, eh? Is do something in theme with what's going on. Because I just never think about it. A Christmas tree sword. Damn. Played any Arc Raiders? Yeah, bro, I have. Lately I haven't though. A Christmas tree sword. Damn. I mean, yeah, I could do a bit of a, what is it, a bauble, eh? Kawiti and Louis, thank you very much for the aroha. Do a decoration for a Christmas tree. Shit, might be something to do next year, eh? Just get a lot of Christmas balls turned and then design them up for Christmas trees. That could be an idea for next year. Cheerio, brother Callum, how you? Is less than a year old and have held him in my arms. It's truly something wonderful. Yeah, brother. Definitely, my bro. What are your plans for Christmas? Nothing crazy, my bro. We're gonna just be spending Christmas morning with my mum, me and my little family, and then we are off to my wife's whānau, so we can spend Christmas, or so the kids can spend Christmas with their, one moment, great grandfather. Yeah, so he's still around, which is very cool. Very grateful that my kids know who their great grandfather is. Along, with spending time with the great grandmother and the grandmother. Like on my side, my grandmother was still alive too for a bit, so truly grateful that my babies knew who their great grandmother was. But yeah, the big dog and my wife's family is still around, and yeah, that's buzzy. That's a cool feeling to know. A very, very cool feeling indeed. Did you voice the rock dude? No, I did not. We just all sound like Cronins over here, my bro. Turn him around, so we've almost got the arm done. Where's this beautiful tiki destined for? Nowhere at the moment. Hey, what up, sheep? So what we're doing here is a hay tiki. So a hay tiki, where the form is inspired from, is from a newborn. Like from a baby. It can represent many things from a child. We name them after our ancestors as well. At the same time too, it represents protection and fertility. So you'll see a lot of wahine back in the day used to wear these tiki as well. Sometimes these carvings were in a much larger form that would be situated around the garden too. Thank you very much, Joe Tomahawk, for the 5-bomb too, my bro. Thank you very much, brother. Did you know that the real Santa Claus lives in Finland? Yeah, he followed me on Instagram. He was in Iceland last week. And I'm not even lying. Santa Claus followed me on Instagram. That's my biggest social media flex I have at the moment. I'm not even lying too. Oh, I'm getting spammed on Kick. My goodness, does that count as KCIP? Gosh, Kick needs to sort their bot problem out, man. Sorry, master. Yo, there he is. Joe Tomo. Oh, it's true, Joe. Yeah, I didn't know you had a Twitch account, my bro. Mr. Dirte. Yeah, thank you, my bro. Hey, that's enough from you, eh? That's enough from you, my bro. Thanks for the cultural lesson. Also, all good, brother. See, majority of the time, my bro. Gosh, wonder if this counts as KCIP. Merry Chrysler, Merry Chrysler. I need to go and give me our water too. One moment. Oh shit, they're still going. Love from Turkey, Brox is credible. Oh, kia ora to the bro controlling all those accounts all the way in Turkey. Cheer my bro. I had to take a photo and post it on the Twitter. Yeah, let me just smash this out and then we can carry on. Baby's got the snivels at the moment. Where are we? Bro, that's crazy. Couldn't even comment there. Crazy, bro. Yeah, just leave it for now, brother. Yeah. Sorry, you just couldn't even see what I was doing. See, we've almost finished the arm, which is good. It's just a matter of trying to navigate these. Joey! Or Joe! Thank you very much for the biddies, my bro. What's the time in your place? It is currently... 11:11. That's the second day and... No, third day in a row I've seen 11:11. So the arm's almost done the Renos. Hey, has the new season for Fallout come out yet? I just found an email where I got invited to go and yeah, well, it's too late, eh? Hey, sir, how you doing, brother? Bro, I just got follower botted of Nam, bro. So we'll just finish this chat. And then we'll go to the leg. How you been, sir? What you been up to, brother? What happened to our Zelda music? Doing good, bro. How are you? No, not too bad, brother. Not too bad. I actually can't wait to go train. Slightly obsessed with it at the moment. Slightly. But genuinely, bro, it feels good. It feels good. Cheers, Tony, how you? What's up, Callum? Okay. Sorry guys, let me just hit this real quick. Whew. I'm old and still figuring out. Nah, you're good, brother. You're good. No rush at all, bro. Just come and enjoy it, brother. Hopefully it stopped. Yeah, I think it stopped, my bro. Bro, you have a surfing map now? Yeah. Bro, I'll be honest. That's probably the part I like the most about the new Fortnite update. Just the surfing. I just keep end up trying to hit those waves, brother. Hold on, chat. There's certain points where I gotta try and Hey, bro, you blew up ages ago, right? Hey, brother, yeah. Back in lockdown, my friend. Feels like a long time ago now, eh? Well, 5 years is a bit of a long time. For sure. Wait, have they removed surfing from Fortnite? I don't know, I don't really keep up with the updates, eh? So I just play it now and again. Majority of the time, my kids like me to jump on there just to jump on my account just to dance to the dances. That's about it. You know, or you know, happily obliged. Much obliged. It's cool to, I guess, you know, away from Fortnite and all that conversation. One thing I've been enjoying lately is seeing Hamlin's come back to streaming. It's been pretty cool watching him again. He was one of my favorite Fortnite streamers. The one I used to watch the most was C's and DK. I know DK's still going. Hey, baby.
Can we use your computer from to Santa?
To Santa? He's going to send the email to Santa Claus.
No, we just tried to do a trip for him.
A trip? Well, that doesn't sound very nice.
We just want to do a trip.
You're trying to trap Santa Claus?
No, we just want to see him.
Oh, only if Mum doesn't though. Okay?
She already thinks.
She's already doing it.
Yeah, but
So why did you ask me?
well, can we use your computer and to see Santa? But
Of course you can. But only Mummy. Don't you go in the camera. What's up, Jules? Go aloha kakahiaka. No, don't put your face in the camera, please. No.
Hello. Hello.
No. No being in the camera, please. No. God. This is the one that don't listen.
Can you see me?
Can't see your ass, babe.
Can I say that sound?
Yeah, you're right next to the mic. Of course they can hear that. Me aere koe ki roto I te whare.
Okay.
Haere.
Bye, everyone.
Oh, that's nice. Hey.
What?
You suck.
Oh, you're baby. You suck your bum
Suck your thumb.
like a baby.
Me and her always have a go at each other.
Like a baby.
Oh, go inside. Thank you, Mitch, for the festive things, my bro. Good dad. Yeah, my bro. Like, they'll drop in now and again, but majority of the time, bro, I don't want them to be on the camera. Because that one there that was just outside will pull the fingers at the camera. Yo, wheelchair, tēnā koe, my bro. Thank you for the 53 months as a tier 3, my bro. And right behind you, we got Arda with the 42 months.
Wheel broke and show off my 42 months now.
Hikama. Thank you very much, my bros. Kei te pēhea kōrua. An ambusher. No, she'll tell me to piss off and try and do a flying triangle. Triangles and arm bars are her favourites at the moment. She's training for a competition next month. I was gonna do it too, but can't really it didn't make sense for me to have a second gym membership when I already train at a gym already. Because we're still trying to save for a house as well. But yeah, man, she loves jiu-jitsu. She's the hands-on kid. Thank you, brother Mitch. And also, yeah, for the fist pops, my bro. They're not great, brother. We can't show off my 42 months now. Wait, I can see it. That looks amazing. I appreciate you. Callum and brother Joe, bro. Joe, are you watching on Twitch and TikTok? And Jason as well. Did you ever play Happy Lander? No, what's that? Oh, fuck, I can't remember. A lot of old games that I used to play back in the day. Hold on, chat. Happy Lander. No, I never heard of that game. What are you doing that one, my bro? My big girl, she really likes Avatar. So we've been playing the Avatar game as well. Just like now and again. I don't want her to play it like all the time. Is housing outrageous? Yeah, brother. Yeah. Like for 3-bedroom, it can range from... Oh, it varies, eh? There's some bedrooms that range between 4 bedrooms that are like 800 to a mil. Some that are like 1.2, 1 mil to 1.5. So yeah, bro, me and my wife have been just trying to budget as hard as we can. Just budget. Save. And then hopefully my bro, we can get a house. Because there's only a few things that I'm looking for in a house. And that's basically just a shed where I can use to carve. I want a fireplace as well, just for the winter. And a lawn, so I can cut the grass. If we could, bro, I'd like a house with no neighbors, but the pricing for those kind of houses is a bit out of our reach. But our accountant who helps me has been pretty cool, like teaching us as well, and then she took us to a mortgage broker just to talk about it. Like just get the feels for it all, eh? And yeah, she's been cool, eh? Even when I met her for the first time, she goes, "Make sure you don't buy an expensive car." I was like, "Oh, I don't like expensive cars." She goes, "Oh, you the first?" She's like, "Usually the people I come across, they want to buy a Mustang with all their money straight away and then they go broke." It's like, "Oh, I don't like Mustangs anyway." And she just laughed. I was like, "What's funny? I don't like Mustang." When I went to America, bro, I didn't realize how common Mustangs and Chargers were. Like they're everywhere, eh? Especially in Vegas, bro. Alright, last bit for the arm. go. I'm done. Falcons and Commodore. Yeah, bro. Yeah, exactly that, bro. Spot on, bro. All right. There we go. It's taking out all the pencil marks. Let me just lightly hit this one here. There we go. Yo, what up, Tarek? How are you, brother? Bum, bum, ba-dum, 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 bum, bum. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay. That's the sound of summer right there, the kihi. I haven't seen you since 2020. How you been though, brother Nick? You been looking after yourself, my bro? I hope you have been. What up, brother? Thank you, Al, for the roses, my bro. Let's just drop this other side, eh? Or this other section of the leg. It's just one part. Okay. Is this real? Well, I looked in the fridge for about 5 minutes this morning and grabbed nothing, so I would assume that's as real as it gets, my friend. And I grabbed nothing, by the way. That's normally how me mornings go. Okay, here we go. Notches time. Alright, mate, let's go. That's not even in the voice properly. There we go. Brother Joe, fuck yeah. Thank you very much for the cats, my bro. That's enough from you, eh? appreciate it, my brother, but you look after yourself too, my brother. I feel like I'm using the wrong V. What am I looking for? Something that's not that big. Taking a little piece of my heart now, baby. Here we go, this is much better. That's what we're gonna be up to now, just notch by notch, bit by bit. Oh, thank you for the disco ball. I was wondering what that was. Thank you very much for that. Okay, now we are over. Thank you, brother Roger. How much time do you spend on a piece like that? We're about. Shit, I think I'd say we'd be clocking into about 25 or 26 hours now. Roughly, I'd say. If I have to give a bit of a guesstimate, my bro. Okay. Back over here. Sorry, just bonk the camera. So all I'm doing right now is just setting up all our notches. That's all I'm doing. It's just setting those up. Do you have a personal favorite piece? It's hard for me to say, brother. I just end up saying every single one of them, my bro. Every single one of them, brother. to a lengthy process. If you see this, how long does it take for you to become a master carver? A lifetime. From what I've seen, you know, it's not really up to us if you're pursuing that title. It's given. Just from experience with Clivey, he was approached to be the master carver of the school. Like a lot of my mātauranga from Whakairo, other than my uncle, comes from a few master carvers. The likes of Clive Fugel, James Rickard, Albie DePoe, who's my koro. So yeah, and now, like when I went to the carving school, our first month is all theory, pretty much. And it was cool. But he spoke a bit about how when he got approached to be the master carver of the carving school, and it was pretty much he was suggested and it was given. I've been fulfilling my dreams of travelling. Oh, W, brother. Where did you go, my bro? How was it? How was the trip, my bro? Alright, those are all punched in now. It's got a few more to do. Thank you very much, Zion, for the cats, and also Noah as well. Oh, kids are getting a growly. Hold up. Let me just do this. My kids are singing what's their song? As I wake up in the morning, I sleep at night, and I take a deep breath, and I get real high, sing at the top of my lungs, what's going on? That's been their jam lately. And I see, like I remember singing that at my wedding. Okay, there we go. How scary? How scary one of? Hey, who's your carving teacher at Boys High? I didn't do the carving class at Boys High. When I found out they were carving with MDF, I got put off by that. So I was like, yeah, nah, I'm good. Did the old man teach you? My uncle did. My old man's not a carver. He taught me back in Kura Kaupapa school. There we go. See how fast. What? See how fast we can get this man to. Oh, bro, there's no need to rush, brother. Don't know where to get one because you live in the UK? Oh, brother, they'll all be here in Aotearoa. I did get a guy who was keen to buy one from the UK, but, you know, I don't really muck around with people that email and then disappear. So I just stop waiting around. I'm meeting up with one of my Instagram followers next week too. He does wildlife photography. Gonna meet the bro for the first time. Who knows? I might even give him a carving. Give him a carving to take home. To commemorate the meeting. Holy shit, that's interesting. Hey, thank you, brother. Yeah, you might give him a carving. See, well, we'll see how it goes. How are you, brother? Appreciate your kind words, my bro. To those that are tuning in once again, I'll always explain what we're up to. We're carving something called a hei tiki. Now with the hei tiki, they are normally within a pendant form. But why am I doing a big one? Well, this is what revision looks like for me to see if I still know how to carve them. And I think I'm doing pretty okay. I'm just making sure I haven't missed any spots. Yeah, we're good, we're good. Thank you, Uzi, for the finger. Uzi, eh? What in the Sun Star Sea? Boom, and Kevin, thank you very much for the roses as well. Bro, growing up, my mum could yell and yell at us, but as soon as Dad walked in, we started listening. Yeah. It's the same with my kids too, my bro. If the kids ain't listening, I just walk in the room and then give them the look. It's like, I remember my times as a kid getting the look from the old boy, from my grandfather. But my cousin used to get the look and then the belt because he didn't listen. But hey, I didn't mind today getting the discipline because at least I'm not an asshole like today. Not a lippy little bastard anymore. Yo, what up, brother Joe? Joe, my bro, how many hours you think? I'd say over 25. Yo! Nate of the Lake. Yo, thank you very much for the huge raid. Oh, host, sorry. Hey, thank you very much, brother Nate. This is my friend Nate. How you doing, my bro? How was your stream? Kia ora. My name is Brooks. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver. And to keep it on brand and to be much cleaner than a gooner in 2025, I touch wood in the morning, cleaner than a gooner. Just staying on brand. But I hope you had a wonderful stream and appreciate you for bringing everyone through from your kick stream, my bro. I've been doing Whakairo for about a couple years. I started when I was 12, I'm now 34. And we are currently carving something called a hei tiki. Now keep in mind they are not normally of this size, they're normally much smaller. And the reason why it's so big is it's just a bit of revision for myself and to see if I can still do it. Because I haven't done one since it's either been between the years of 2015 or 2018 is the last time I ever done one. Yo, Betty! Thank you very much for the 10 months over on Twitch as well, brother. See, this is what we've been doing lately. I'll just zoom it out so you can see and everyone on TikTok and YouTube can see as well. So that's him there. So this is pretty much what we've done so far. I'd say about 25 hours so far. 25 hours all up, and we are coming to the last section, and then after that we'll do one more clean. What should I name my cousin? She's a girl. I don't know, Mochi? Says the nephews can tell which kids have been disciplined and the one that hasn't. Yeah, I saw you in a vid on YouTube. Hey, welcome, brother. But hey, this is what we've been up to. This timber is rata, so it's a hard timber. Normally with tiki, they represent fertility. It can represent, you know, protection as well. On top of that, we normally name our tiki, hei tiki, after our ancestors, hence the reason why we wear them all the time around our necks. But our tiki, hei tiki as a whole also represents fertility, as I mentioned before. And you can see these types of carvings around gardens too, to, you know, entice the crops to become fertile. So we just finished the arm, and now we're moving on to the leg. So we're doing different variations of this design here. So taratara akai is the name of this design. This is the more traditional way of doing it. This is like a modern twist on it, how it's like square and everything like that. Same with on the face. Only difference with this section of the taratara akai, I dug the middle ridge out. So that's what I did there. Why? Just, yeah, purely experimenting, but trying to stay with the same design as a whole, pretty much. Low key contemplating with, nah, I'm not going to design the whole body, that's just a headache. But yeah, this is what I've been up to, Nate, and this is what I normally do on stream, my bro. I may play games from time to time here and there, but as a whole, brother, this is what I normally do majority of the time, which is Whakairo, and I love it. Okay. Alright, now, one thing we have to do now, thank you very much for the heart and your awesomes, wait, what's your thing, I can't see your name. Yo, Dix and Ivan, thank you very much. Oh nice, he got power. Yes, they sent it to me, I think it was last year, Last year is when they sent it to me. They normally send me like their latest shirts that they may get in. And you know, always grateful for that, always. I gifted you a loin. Loin? What do you mean, coin? So this is our last section that we have to draw up here. I'm kind of trying to figure out what I want to do here. Just yeah, kind of like the final bit here. So I just have to figure out what it will be. So let me just cook a little bit, chat. I know some of you may not be able to see what I'm doing, and I just want to say sorry about that. Hence the reason why I'll try and get it done fast. Lion, wait, did you? Are you making a heitiki? Yeah, just for fun. Did you? Don't people in the chat normally say though? Wait, did you actually? I don't even. I'll be honest. I don't know what lions do, but. Did you? I would have heard it though. Doesn't it normally like make a sound? Hold up, I'm just going back to see if I missed it because I don't want to be that guy if I miss something like that. Thank you very much, Ivan, for the roses. Tuck for the roses. Ochisuita for the rose as well. And Sophia for the heart me. And I love you so much. Angel with the rose. Tyler with the bouncing volleyball. Hey, what up, Hamza? How you doing, brother? Been up to, my brother? Oh, I hear argumentos. Oh dear. Dex and Luca, thank you very much. Who do you think will win the fight between The Rock and his Samoan dance moves? Oh gosh. I don't know. It's hard for me to say because I haven't even seen them. I have not seen his dance moves, and I did not know he did dance as well. So that is news to me. Okay, this is going to be a bit of a difficult one. The way she was. Oh dear. Hold on, chat. Oh, that's gonna be a bugger to get into that corner. Thank you, Conjurus. Appreciate you, brother. Sorry, chat, I'm just here trying to... If I'm not talking much, it's because I'm trying to get this done. Oh, what a night. So we got our line there. Okay, I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. I don't know now. I don't know if it's gonna look good, eh? Okay, I'll leave it like that for now. Let's go. Does your tattoo have any meaning? Yes, it does. I can show you. So I'll show you, Zane. Give me a break off this for a wee bit. Okay. So my tattoo represents three things, or my moko I should say. Thank you Broxham for the 40 bits. Oh, 40 roses, sorry. So this is my moko here. So it represents my family, where I'm from, and what I've been doing all my life, which is Whakairo. So over here, this is my mum. This is my grandfather and my grandmother there. At the back. That's my wife, that's our eldest daughter, our now middle child, and the baby's gonna go up the top here. So from my shoulder, from the back right around to my chest, and underneath as well, that's my sister. The reason why she's underneath is because she passed away when I was young. And long story short, yeah, it was kind of the last person to see her alive. But hey, it happens, eh? Other than that, like throughout my entire arm, you'll see these singular lines too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those represent the mountains where I come from. You know, stand strong and true. And in between all these lines too, all these core whaiwhai that you see, they represent the rivers where I'm from. This guy has 0 haters. Oh, you'd be surprised. Benek, thank you very much for the 20 roses, my bro. So yeah, they represent the mountains and the rivers where I come from. I come from a real rural place. So yeah, just imagine yourself surrounded by mountains. That's, you know, blanketed in native forest, and with a few rivers running through as well. That's home. That's where I grew up. And at the end of it all too, you'll see this here. So this is a tickle. Oh, popo, sorry. So you see the head, the arm, body, legs, and the head. So that's a 2-dimensional figure. Over there, touch. So in my forearm there. So my forearm and YouTube and kick. So my forearm represents the carving side of my life. But yeah, we'll be getting an add-on to put the baby on my skin too. So yeah, it's probably going to go from the top of my chest right around to my back, like link up with my arm. Thank you. What is that? That looks like a button in your name. Thank you for the 50 roses. Yo, Twitch, how long we been live for? I think we try and smash out these notches, eh? Makes me miss Choo Choo. Hey dude, you're the most. 2 hours? Oh, true. Shit, I better finish up soon. Oxymoron. I have no idea what that means, but okay. Alright, let's punch these notches out, and we'll carry on from there. Thank you very much for the treasured voice. Hope you're good, bro. Yeah, me and the family's good, my bro. Kids are getting older. Almost time to finish up school for the year. So Tuesday I'm going to be away, chat. It's prize giving for my daughter, for my big girl. And Wednesday I won't be around too because our middle child has school visits, so they're kind of priming them up for the transition into school next year. Yeah, so it's going to be her and another girl from Kohanga, or Maori Early Childhood Centre. Yeah, pretty much. So those will most likely be nighttime streams. So we'll try and get dispatch started next week. I know the hope for dispatch is kind of gone now, but I like those kind of games, those Telltale games. I know it's not by Telltale, by the way. You gonna go to KFC when the kids finish school? No. We're still eating properly. We're still eating healthy, my bro. We'll get an ice cream and then we'll go and play for the rest of the day. Get late day. What else do people get tattooed besides what you said? Oh, it kind of varies. Majority of the time here, because genealogy is a very important thing to us. I just went to my cousin, told him what I wanted, and I said my whole arm, and I left the flow up to him. I didn't go with a concept. I just said, can you do this for me? And yeah, and he did it. I got it when I was 30, so my tattoo or my moko is about 4 years old now. It's about 4 years old now. I remember the day I got it too. So I was walking home. Now, if you don't know, when you get a tattoo, sometimes your arm excretes like a light red, faint red kind of blood as well, because your blood cells are trying to recover at the same time. I remember going in the EB game. I was walking past EB games and I saw that they had PS5s available, and I copped one. Copped it on my 30th. My arm as a whole took about 7 hours. The only reason why it took so long because me and the bro were just talking a whole bunch of shit. For my other arm though, I don't really want to get moko. Kind of want to get something else. Not sure what though. There's this guy up in Auckland. His name's Simeon. Man, he's got some sick work, eh? He's got some sick work. That looks great to work with. What is it? It's rata. The timber itself is called rata, R-A-T-A. It's quite a hard timber. Learning about wood carving. Oh, nice. Any advice for a complete beginner? Bro, take your time, bro. That's the main thing you want to do. Make mistakes, brother. Because that's the only way you're going to learn as well. No one starts off as King Dingaling straight away. And make sure when it comes to the stuff that you're carving, that your tools can cater to that too. Like, for example, you don't want to do something intricate and all you got is like big ass chisels, eh? Just using that as an example. But most of all, my bro, take your time, enjoy it. As you chip away, you'll start to, you know, come up with your own processes as well that you can work with, and as you overcome over time with your journey, my bro. But most of all, my bro, enjoy it. Remember, it's not a race, it's a journey. Just like life. I swear I have a smaller skew than to say. Hey, you have a blessed day too, my bro. If you're heading out, have a good one, brother. Hey, much love, Charlie. And great, yeah, bro, yeah. That was me too, bro. Like, I was the same too, trying, you know, not to make mistakes. But it was my uncle that said, "How are you gonna get better if you're not gonna make them? And you won't know how to get through them." And then when I went to the carving school here, a motto that everyone goes by is we don't make mistakes, we make adjustments. There's always a way around it, my bro. Always. Just trying to figure out where my smaller skew is. I thought I had it here. And I can see it. Here it is. There we go. Okay, let's would you ever carve pounamu? I have before. I'll probably do so when you know, when we have our own whare, me and my wife. Then I can start getting all the facilities that I need in order to start, you know. Hey, thank you very much, brother Fard. Yeah, like if you have any questions at all, I'll do my best to answer them. But yeah, that's always the way I've seen it with Whakairo as a whole. Like, it's not a race, eh? Like within the intake I was in, the carving intake, there were 2 fast carvers, 2 slow ones, and I was in the middle. But yeah, these fast carvers, like, they were good, don't get me wrong, but they mucked around a lot. Wait, you're not on Twitch anymore? I'm streaming on there right now. Twitch, YouTube, also on YouTube we're streaming in what's the phone layout too, on the Reels. We're on Kick as well, and we're on TikTok. Yeah, so this chisel here, this was the master carver, his name's Guy Fugel. You'll see a little CF there. Now you might just be able to see it, it's a light scratch. There's a light CF on the handle, I don't know if you can see it. Is this the wholesome dude? How are you doing, brother Nick? I hope you're doing well. Joe. Hope everyone is starting to knuckle down and chill out for the amount of eating everyone is about to do. Mary Chrysler. It is almost time. Michael Bublé, Mariah Carey have almost thawed out. Ariana Grande has fully thawed out. You can tell she's only just thawed out because she looks like she hasn't eaten in a while. So yes, the Christmas songs are coming. And you know what? I fucking hate them. They're so fucking annoying, man. Kia ora from Christchurch, Joe, my bro. Kia ora from the other side of the planet, nice looking resin handle. Thank you, my friend. How long does it take you to make one of these? At the moment we are on about 25 hours. Yeah, bro, I can't stand the Christmas songs, eh? They're so annoying, bro. When did you start carving? I started when I was 12, my bro. Guts that I missed your packs. All good, my bro. I'll definitely be back next year. What's up, Josie? Kia ora. Yeah, I'm definitely keen to make a return next year, my bro. It was fun. I genuinely enjoyed it. Caught up with a lot of people. Met a whole lot of new people. It was different too, being with the exhibitors, so I didn't really get to enjoy PAX as much as I wanted to. That's all good, because from an exhibitor's POV as well was so cool. It was a surreal experience as well. You ever carve for someone's 21st birthday? Yeah, now and again. Now and again, my bro. Kinda try and stay away from the 21st keys these days. Hey, thank you, Big Bush. Appreciate you, brother. Yeah, we'll just get this arm out the way today, and then we should be good. Hopefully, see you at the next one. Yeah, definitely, bro. I'll definitely be there. I'm trying to encourage a lot of my friends within the streaming space to go. Because at the same time, you know, it can be very beneficial for them in terms of like making connections as well. Because they asked, did you go to party? Or nah, I never go to those kind of events to party, brother. Never, ever, ever. The smarter move is to network. But yeah, shout out to Aftershock PC for inviting me over. They invited me over, paid for my flights and a comm. They gifted me a PC that is still on the way as well. Okay. Just checking over it all. Okay, let's go. Can hear the baby crying. I might go and see if my wife needs help shortly. That section there is done. The details of the work is beautiful. Hey, appreciate you. Well, Amy Johnson, thank you very much for the roses. Tēnā koe, Amy. Hold on, guys. I'll just do this. I might miss a few things here and there. So we're just opening up these notches here. Thank you very much, brother Harps, as well. Yeah, man, that's some sick work. Great job. Thank you, my brother. Appreciate you, my bro. We're just finishing up this side, so we just started this arm today, and got the design down. So all we're doing now in terms of like little 1%ers is all the notches. We're just going back over them with a skew. Just opening them up. So with that, it's kind of giving more emphasis on the middle ridge too, making it look bigger than it already is. And then we can leave it as is. Thank you very much, Justin. Did someone go, hey brother, how you doing? Okay, over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. One moment, Chad. Sorry. Out now. I think what we'll do is save the leg for Monday. I won't be streaming any Whakairo tomorrow. I've got haka practice tomorrow. We move into full weekend practices next year as well, chat. So I just want to put that out there too. But throughout this year, it's just been Sundays. Okay, how we doing? Hey, what's up, Luna Orcs? There you are. How you doing? Looking fire, man. What is this? This is Rata, brother. R-A-T-A is how you spell it. It's one of our hard timbers that we have in the country. One of the more harder ones, my bro, and it's been pretty nice to cut. Like, as a whole, brother, it's been really, really nice. Okay. Almost done on this arm. I want to try and finish it before before my phone goes flat. So TikTok can see it as a whole, and then we'll do a little update video for TikTok as well. If you haven't followed the page yet, the TikTok page, go through and give it a follow. You'll see a few updates of the tiki on there. You see a few of them there, and yeah, much appreciated to those that are already following it already. Boom. Okay, last little section's coming up now. Two, three, 4, 5, 6. One, two, oh. But yeah, genuinely, this is what I normally get up to if you are new to the stream. I've been, well, following this path since I was 12 years old. And my dream jobs before I started doing Whakairo was to either work in a zoo or try and pursue an art career at Blizzard. And then eventually when I started doing Whakairo, I kinda, yeah, let go of those and just full centered within this. You're so talented. Ah, thank you. It's it has been a grind all my life, but a grind I've genuinely enjoyed. Brother Jack, thank you very much for the roses, my bro. Yeah, all in all. Hey baby, what's up?
Good. What do you want for lunch?
I'm alright.
Oh, where are my noodles?
He's having noodles.
Yeah.
Okay. You alright? Dad's almost done.
Okay.
And then we'll go and do something, eh?
Yeah.
Go to
Teachers
biking?
are spiked up.
Oh, does she?
Yeah.
How are you? You okay?
Yeah.
Have you brushed your teeth?
Never.
Ka wai ware
I was
ware.
trying to work
Ka wai kōrero I ngā ingoa ne.
Oh, wait. Her real name is
Yeah, just don't say it. Alright? Ka wai kōrero I ngā ingoa I runga I tēnei.
Booby.
Kei te pai koe? Ko tata o tio. What do you think? Come and have a look. Just stand over there.
That looks cool.
Just don't stand in the camera, please.
Yeah. Looks cool.
What have you been doing? Just chilling out?
Yeah. We just finished Grinch.
Oh, you finished watching The Grinch?
Yeah.
Or we'll go for a hikwe later too.
Yeah. Should we go to town?
Wasn't Mum taking you to town?
No, she said we headed to tomorrow.
You have to tomorrow.
To get us a toy.
Oh, with your fella's money that you got.
Yeah.
How much have you got? $10, eh?
We got We got $5, but I got one and Emma got two.
Oh, did she? Oh, yeah.
She got two $5 and I got one.
That's right, because she saved her money, eh?
Yeah.
Ka wai ware ware, ka wai kōrero I ngā ingoa, please.
Yeah.
Ko tātou tio, I'll come inside soon, okay?
My real name is Kaka.
Oh, shut up, man.
Okay.
Your real name is Kaka. Go on.
Because it is.
No, it's not.
It is.
At least come up with a better one. The imagination on that child, man. Alright, last two. Yeah, I need to go and get my legs moving because my legs are still sore from leg day. Fuck. I forgot it takes a while to recover. And that is that donezo. How many years you been doing this? So I started when I was 12, I'm 34 now. How long is that? 22? I think, maybe? Yeah, 22 years I think. Hey Baba, what's up? What you up to?
When are you going to come inside?
When am I going to come inside?
Yeah.
Shortly, because I've just finished one section of the hay tiki.
Can we go get a toy?
Hey, a toy? Have you been good? No, stop lying.
Yes. Tell
No.
Mum.
Tell Mum. I think you've been pretty naughty then. Hey.
Tell Mum then.
Hey,
Tell Mum then.
ask Mum.
Ask Mum then.
Pātai. No, don't jump in the camera. Hang on.
Ask
Come over
Mum then.
Waihoa. Almost turned the bloody... Can you not go by the cords? You're going to turn something off. Waiho. She's alright. She's alright. She's alright.
Mum!
Jeez. Kia
Mum!
tūpato mō nā mea, please. Go inside. Get off the cord. Get off the cord. Bay.
Mum! Mum!
It's on the agenda today. Yep.
Have you been good?
No, see, I knew it.
No, she said, I don't know.
Nah, you haven't.
Mum, did you say, I don't know, or did you be naughty?
Naughty.
Mum.
Naughty ke koe.
Shut up, Bert.
What'd you say?
Huh?
What did you say? That's what I thought. Fucking kids. There we go.
It's half and half.
Yeah, right.
Half and half.
Yeah, get inside. So that's all we've done so far here. We finished the arm today. There we go. Almost done. And all these designs will pop when we put the stain on. I just imagine she don't know fear, brother, with me. When she does that, she means to push more. So yeah, that's all we've done so far. So we finished the arm up, so we'll do the leg on Monday. Remember, I'm not going to be around tomorrow. I've got haka practice. Haka practice tomorrow, and we'll see how we go. Now TikTok, normally the way I do it, I normally finish up with the TikTok stream first. As you can probably hear, probably time to go and be a dad now. Haka practice for you. Rotorua nui a kaumata momoi. When is the Twitch Awards, if it's already happened? I think it's tomorrow on the 5th for America. Oh, I'm going to be at practice, so yeah, that's why I didn't go. Oh, come on, what ropu, bro? I just said it. Rotorua nui a kahu mata momoi. Come on, kai ana taringa. So I'll practice tomorrow, and I won't be around. Hey you, Keenan. Hello there, CR King Jobo and Karunos. Behold my stuff. How you been, my bro? Cheery, brother Ryan. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad at all. So we just got the leg left. And then we'll hit it with a stain, pretty much. And see what it looks like. Thank you, Karunos. Let me just put this to the side, eh? Put that to the side so it's safe. Okay. Are you Maori? Yeah, but can you explain it as to be what it is to be Maori to you? Being Maori to me is knowing your language, where you come from, and being proud of who you are as well. Now, in saying that, there are some of our people that didn't have the luxury of growing up listening to our language as well, but they're just as Maoris as I am. Pretty much. Ban? Whoa, what happened? I have no idea what happened. Where does the language originate from? I'd say go as far back as Ranginui and Papatuanuku. Would you class Māori as a religion? It's not a religion, it's a people. A religion is like Te Hāhi Ringatu, Rātana, Iharaira, all those kind of things within our culture. But for me, I just believe in my own people's gods. I don't really follow any other religion that came me on another boat that wasn't my own. But in saying that too, like half my tribe was already here before Mā Tātua Waka Taki Timu, they all turned up. Was your tattoo stick or poke? Just tattoo gun. Oh jeez, that sounds like my cue. Any plans for Christmas? Yeah, just spend it with my mum, and then we're gonna go to my in-laws and celebrate with the baby's great-great-great-grandfather. You'd look sick. I think neck tattoos are ugly, to be honest. I'm not a fan. Not a fan of neck tattoos. Yeah, it's just not for me. You know, I'll never get my neck tattooed, eh? Love from England. Joe, bro. Jeez, it'll be late for you, eh? Okay, what's the time? It is currently 12:34. Alright, TikTok, that is going to be us for today. Thank you very much for tuning in. Shane, thank you for the car pies. And thank you everyone for the aroha today. I gotta dip out and go and be a dad for the rest of my day, and then we're gonna go for a bit of a outing. Looks like it's gonna get muggy too. But yeah, this is once again TikTok. This is what we've done here. We do the leg on Monday, the last leg, and then we'll do one final clean before we think about what I'm gonna do with it. Really, Joy, thank you very much for the roses too. I'll see you later. Thank you for the cats, Joy and Brother Joe. And I'll see you all on Monday, okay, TikTok? I'm going to be away tomorrow. But I'll probably stream tomorrow night anyway. But GG. Ka kite. See you later. Okay, and that's TikTok for the day. How are we doing, guys? How's the rest of you guys doing? Yeah, so I think Streamer Awards is tomorrow. So yeah, I am definitely away tomorrow. Your boy's gonna be at haka practice. Where are we? Yo, what up, brother? Yeah, I'll be at haka practice tomorrow if I know. Okay, that's that. Oh yeah, if you've got Twitch recaps, chuck them in the Discord so you can check them out. It'll be cool to see those. Go through and check those out. Let me just put this tripod to the side as well. Okay, legends. That. And I never watched your stream. This is the first time. Oh, really? Oh, chill, bro. Oh, well, it's all good, brother. It's all good. That is going to be us for today, though. I've got to go and, go and be a parent now. But, yeah, solid weekend stream. Nice, chill one. Got a lot of work done. But for now, whānau, I'm gonna, I have to go. But yeah, genuinely, thank you very much for all the aroha today. And hopefully I'll see you all tomorrow, okay? Joe, brother Joe. Joe Tree. Nah, creative video, it made me laugh so much. Are you still streaming on your phone? Nah, I use a laptop now. Alright, legends. I'll see you later, eh?